So there's the Ulster dialect up the north, the Connacht dialect in the west, and Munster down in the southwest, and simply the south of the country. So, and there's also, as you can see to the right there, there are two green blobs which do come in as the Connacht dialect, because that is the Meath. Gaeltacht is an Irish-speaking area, so they're all the Connacht. So there's like you could cut it in different layers, you could say. So the top layer is Ulster, middle layer is Connacht, and bottom layer is Munster. That's just generally speaking. So in the Ulster dialect, there is what they call the Donegal Gaeltacht. Now, within that, you can see that there are, on this map, there are a few different place names, the Glenties, Torey. There are some different places, and they all have different accents and dialects of their own. They might say one thing, like South Donegal may say a few things slightly different from North Donegal. The same with Connacht. You have Mayo and Connemara, and they do have differences. Mayo would have more similarities to Ulster Irish. So, and in Ulster again, I forgot to mention, there are more dialects than just simply the Donegal dialect. There has been a South Armagh dialect, or Oriel, as it's also called, which is, there may not be any, let's say, native speakers. Well, there would be native speakers, but it has been sort of resurrected in a way. So there are many different dialects in the various towns and cities in Ulster. For example, Derry or Belfast, you have Irish speakers there, and they have their own accent, let's say. They have their own accent. And it's the same all over the country for areas which are not in the Gaeltacht. For people who speak Irish there, they may have their own accents, if not more dialectal variations. So Connacht, then we have Ardenne, the Arden Islands, Connemara, and you have many different accents within Connemara. You have East Galway, which is different again, very similar but different. It's like halfway between Connemara and Mayo. So as I said, Mayo is like halfway between Connemara and Donegal. So it does work like that. And then down in Munster, we have a few different Gaeltachts there. There's Ring, which is more to the east. There's the Muskerry or Muskerry, West Muskerry, and you have, you see there's the Dingle Peninsula, and there's the peninsula underneath that again. So there would be variations in the dialects, all the different dialects spoken in Munster, but they all have many common features, and you can tell that that person is from Munster. For example, you might not be able to say that they're from Dingle or from Muskerry, or perhaps, but you can tell that they're from Munster. So it's the same with Connacht or Ulster as well. So they're the main dialects, but they have variations within them.